So right after I made the last video, I ended up finding a package in the mail, and it was the new rod. So that completes the setup here of the balanced crank, the rod, and the piston. Really what I wanted to show you guys was the difference between an ARC rod and the Bullfrog rod. So if you notice here on the ARC rod, there's a big indentation here. If you notice on the Bullfrog rod, if you look at this lip, it barely catches a fingernail compared to this one, where it's, you know, this far in. And the end cap, if you look here, you can see, sorry there's oil all over my hands, but you could see here the difference between here. This one's basically straight up, and this one comes over. Let me see if I can get them side by side. So the Bullfrog end cap is a lot thicker than the ARC one. And also there's more meat up here underneath the wrist pin than the ARC rod has. So this is the 4.41, this is the 4.440, 4.410, 4.440. 69 millimeter unbalanced, 69 millimeter balanced, aluminum cast piston, lightweight aluminum billet piston. So we're going from this setup to this setup. Also, if there's anybody out there looking for this setup here, let me know. This would work to get you a good setup on any 440. It'll bring it to a 460, anything with the 92 millimeter piston. So if you go out and buy a Duramax 18 horsepower engine, you know, that'll come with a dished piston. So this is a flat piston with valve reliefs in it. The rod and the stroker crank. So this will bring you 440 to a 460. If anyone needs this, let me know. But this is what's going to be running in the engine, hopefully to break the world record. I don't know about the sound of that bearing. Got another head gasket, 32 thousandths copper. Don't know if I'm going to use it. And this is that carb from Circo. So yeah,